Well, this collaboration will bring a lot of practical aspect in the UG and the PG program. KPMG will bring on table the real-time datasets, case studies, and the real cases of business which will help students to learn their knowledge and get that practical exposure. One of the biggest opportunity with the students will get is they will get in touch with the people from KPMG in India who will actually come and deliver this training program in the campus of Chandigarh University, Mohali. Now the exposure what they will get in collaboration or in talking to those experts will help them to learn how the entire FinTech ecosystem works in the industry. On that aspect, we bring a lot of tech enablement in FinTech. For example, we bring up the AI concepts in FinTech. We bring up the real data sets which works in industry. We bring up the technology transformations and other parameters which are changing the entire FinTech ecosystem from an industry point of view. Well, they work on various tools and platforms. For example, we bring on table certain visualization tools like Tableau, Power BI, certain FinTech tools which help them to understand the models which are built in the FinTech. They also learn the technological aspects of AI and machine learning algorithms which help the FinTech to operate on a day-to-day basis.